I must have lost a link to question number 25 of Module 8 homework. So I'm going to go into my student account and solve that. So where is Module 8 homework? All right. I'm going to open up question number 25. I heard that this question was asked, or similar question was asked twice on this quiz. So this one is, I guess, particularly important. All right, so let's go over this. It says use the value of the linear correlation coefficient to calculate the coefficient of determination. Now, we gotta know the symbols, right? R is given. Coefficient of determination is simply R squared. So all you have to do is square this R value, okay? So I open up a calculator, Desmos scientific calculator, and I'll go ahead and square that. Give me 1 second. Let me try to bring both screen up here. R is negative 0.846, and we square that. R squared comes out to be 0.715716. When we want to round this to the nearest, 3 decimal places, I'll go ahead and type. I have to round up. All right. But R squares will always be a positive number. So I can see, if you're not careful, if you square a negative number without a parenthesis, a calculator may mess up. So do not ever enter a negative value for R squared, because whenever square a negative, negative times negative will give you positive. So R squared is always positive. So what does that number explain now? We have to know what that means. Remember, coefficient of determination is about explained variation. So let me read the second question. What does this tell you about the explained variation of the data about the regression line? Well, what we can say is, now look, 0.716. Convert that into percentage. Multiply that decimal by 100. What do you get? We can say that about 71.6% of variation can be explained by the regression line. So if that much is explained, how much is unexplained? We can check it. We can do 100 minus 71.6, and 28.4 is the unexplained variation. So formula for unexplained variation is 1 minus R squared. That's the unexplained variation. And in this case, it came out to be 28.4. And they always add up to 100%. Explained variation and unexplained variation add up to total variation. And that's section 3.9.3. So that one was question 25. That was a very short one, but make sure that you review this question, because I heard that you will see about 2 questions similar to this on your Module 8 home quiz this week.